Twitter is set to comply with Elon Musk's demand for data on fake accounts.
Oh, wow.
Network ready to provide stream of daily data after world's richest man threatened to pull out of the $44 billion purchase if Twitter refused. Obviously, this comes after the stock price and, well, I guess the market in general took a bit of a dive.
Did it?
Well, I mean, from his original offer?
Oh, from his original offer. Sorry.
Yeah,
I thought you meant...
it's been a downward trend.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Well, it was 54.20.
Mm-hmm.
And what are we at today? Will there ever be another 54.20 offer?
Oh.
It's
well,
39.
If he gives them the data and it turns out they're correct, that there is only 5% bots,
mm-hmm.
he then no longer has, I guess, any leverage to negotiate the price anymore, right?
Well, you know the way he's going to scrape over that data with a fine-tooth comb. He'll find something. As a home inspection, he'll find something.
But I'm saying, what if he finds what they're saying? They're like, we searched, it was 5%. He does his detailed search.
I hear you, but when did they do the home inspection? I'll find anything.
Right.
And maybe that's like that, but then something else he doesn't like.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The fact of the matter is, I think the offer's looking pretty decent at the moment, and they're like, "What do you need?"
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Definitely.
Mm-hmm. It's on.
All of a sudden, you got the board and you got the big investors. They're like, "Remember that 54.20? We don't want that to walk right now."
Uh-huh.
And I guess it could. It's a risk, and then also at the same time, like you said, if there's anything favorable about the data and it becomes public information, it's good for Twitter. Great.
Right.
Great.
Yeah.
Bobby says, forever Willie Bronco 60-40. 60-40 split. People, you don't understand the hope you gave people on the 60-40. That's all they wanted. They didn't want 100 to 0. They didn't want 90-10. They weren't asking for 80-20. They weren't asking for 70-30. You gave them a 60-40. That's all they wanted. They're reasonable people.
Yeah.
The community is reasonable. Good for you. Social media company will provide the world's richest man with access to a stream of data comprising more than 500 million tweets posted every day, according to Washington Post. A number of companies already pay for access to the data, which includes a real-time record of tweets, the devices users tweet from, and information about the accounts that tweet post reported. A number of companies already pay for access to this data. Do we pay for access to that? The New York Times also reported that Twitter would let Musk view its fire hose of daily traffic in response to legal threats that the deal would be in jeopardy. Otherwise, Musk warned Twitter on Monday that he might walk away from his $44 billion deal to acquire the company if it fails to provide the data on spam and fake accounts that he seeks. Multi-billionaire has expressed doubts over Twitter's claim that fake and spam accounts represent less than 5% of its 229 million strong user base. They said declining to present the information was a material breach of the deal agreement, which would allow Musk to walk away without paying the $1 billion breakup fee written into the deal. Twitter shares rose in the afternoon following these reports.
$1 billion.
I guess they'll get to the bottom of it.
Their use of the word fire hose data makes me think that they're going to just bury Elon in information.
You can't bury him. He got people.
Right. He'll find a way out.
He's got people. He'll be all right. But fire hose is a terrifying way of thinking of social media.
Right. We're going to fire hose you all the information.
But also the fact that they have one.